Let's solve this question together. It says 3 raised to the power x multiplied by 3 raised to the power x multiplied by 3 raised to the power x equals 36. How do we solve this? Now, the first thing we can do here is to say this is times, right? Okay, so when you have multiplication, so this is multiplied by and this is multiplied by. When you have a to the power of b multiplied by a to the power of m, it's equal to a raised to the power b plus m. So applying this law here, we're going to have that this is 3 raised to the power x plus x plus x. We're multiplying twice to be equal to 36. Now x plus x plus x is 3x, so we have 3 raised to the power 3x to be equal to 36. Okay, now 36, now we can write 36 is equal to 3, okay, times 3 times 2 times 2. This is equal to 3 squared multiplied by 2 squared, okay, and this is 36. Hence, we can say that we have 3 raised to the power 3x is equal to 3 squared multiplied by 2 squared, okay. Now, if this is the case, we can now say let's say the logarithm of both sides, okay. So logarithm of 3 raised to the power 3x is equal to logarithm of 3 squared multiplied by 2 squared. This logarithm, we take it in the base of the number carrying x. If you look at the number carrying x is 3. So from here, we're going to have, that's why we have logarithm of 3 to base 3 raised to the power of 3x. This power can multiply the log. So we have 3x will now multiply log of 3 to base 3 to be equal to, on this other side, you split up and put plus. Okay. Now moving on from here. When you have log of a number to its base is 1. So log of 3 to base 3 is 1. 1 times 3x is 3x to be equal to 2 multiplied by log of 3 to base 3 plus 2 multiplied by log of 2 to base 3. Now 3x now becomes equal to log of 3 to base 3 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 2 multiplied by log of 2 to base 3. Finally, our x becomes equal to 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3 multiplied by log of 2 to base 3. Alright, so this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.